Very good. Now we are ready to determine the domain and range of the function. We can use the second parabola from the preceding page to do so. To find the domain, look for all input values on x-axis. Okay, take a look. Let's go back to the page that it has the graph itself. When it comes to domain, you're looking at the reflection of the graph on x-axis. So if you take this graph and bend it on x-axis, you're going to have the domain. That's why it's just shaded with blue from left to right. So if I take this object and bend it on x-axis, just in the form that you can flatten that on x-axis, then you have the domain. As you can see, it starts from negative infinity to positive infinity. For y-axis, you're going to flatten the graph on y-axis. You're going to see the reflection of your graph on the y-axis. It starts at this point, but what is this point? This point is exactly the vertex. So it starts at the vertex, y value of the vertex, 2, and it goes up. So this is the graph. You are bending this, you're flattening this graph on y-axis, and it gives you the range of your function. So the domain is all real numbers from negative infinity to positive infinity. And for the range, it starts from 2 and it goes to positive infinity. And since 2 is included, we are using a bracket representing that, hey, 2 is part of that range. So again, take a look at the visualization. You took this graph and you look at the reflection on x-axis, you have negative infinity to positive infinity, or all real numbers. You take this graph and you look at this reflection on y-axis. It starts at this point. This point is 2. 2 goes to positive infinity.